Il était une fois à la lisière d'un bois une belle basse-cour où vivait un coq nommé Chanteclair. Once upon a time, at the edge of a forest, there was a beautiful farmyard where a rooster named Chanteclair lived. C'était un coq orgueilleux, au plumage doré et à la voix éclatante. He was a proud rooster with golden feathers and a resounding voice. Tous les matins, il chantait si fort et si juste que le soleil lui-même semblait se lever à son signal. Every morning he crowed so loudly and so perfectly that the sun itself seemed to rise at his signal. Non loin de là, caché entre les fourrés, rôdait Renard, le renard rusé. But not far away, hidden among the bushes, prowled Reinhard, the cunning fox. Depuis plusieurs jours, il observait Chanteclair. For several days, he had been watching Chanteclair. Il salivait déjà à l'idée d'un bon repas. He was already salivating at the thought of a good meal. Quel coq dodu, quel festin ce serait, pensa Renard. What a plump rooster, what a feast he would make, thought Reinhard. Mais inutile de courir après lui. But there's no point in chasing him. Pour attraper un coq aussi malin, il faut être encore plus malin que lui. To catch such a clever rooster, I must be even clever. Alors, un matin, Renard se glissa silencieusement près de la basse-cour. So one morning, Reinhard silently crept close to the farmyard. Il se coucha dans l'herbe, les pattes croisées, l'air paisible. He lay down in the grass, paws crossed, looking peaceful. Et quand Chanteclair s'approcha un peu trop près, Renard prit la parole d'une voix douce et mielleuse. And when Chanteclair wandered a little too close, Reinhard spoke in a soft, honeyed voice. Bonjour, noble Chanteclair, quelle chance d'enfin te rencontrer! Good morning, noble Chanteclair. What luck to finally meet you. Je t'écoute chanter chaque matin et je dois te dire, ta voix est magnifique. I listen to you sing every morning and I must say, your voice is magnificent. Tu es le plus grand chanteur que cette terre ait connu. You are the greatest singer this land has ever known. Chanteclair redressa fièrement la tête. Chanteclair proudly lifted his head. Il aimait les compliments. He loved compliments. Vraiment? Dit-il en bombant le torse. Really? He said, puffing out his chest. Tu trouves ma voix si belle? You think my voice is so beautiful? Belle? Non, elle est divine. Beautiful? No, it's divine. Un jour, j'ai entendu ton grand-père chanter. Quelle prestance! One day, I heard your grandfather sing. What presence! Mais toi, tu l'as surpassé. But you have surpassed him. Si seulement je pouvais t'entendre chanter encore, les yeux fermés, le cou tendu, comme le faisaient les coqs de légende. If only I could hear you sing again, eyes closed, neck stretched, just like the legendary rooster did. Flatté, Chanteclair monta sur un petit tas de fumier, ferma les yeux, étira le cou et chanta de toutes ses forces. Flattered, Chanteclair climbed onto a small pile of manure, closed his eyes, stretched out his neck, and sang with all his might. Cocorico! cock-a-doodle-doo. Mais à peine avait-il fini sa note que Renard bondit. But as soon as he finished his note, Reinhardt leaped. En un éclair, il attrapa Chanteclair dans sa gueule et s'enfuit vers la forêt. In a flash, he grabbed Chanteclair in his jaws and ran off toward the forest. Les poules crièrent, les plumes volèrent, mais trop tard, le renard était déjà loin. The hens screamed, feathers flew, but it was too late. The fox was already far away. Sur son dos, Chanteclair, secoué, comprit qu'il s'était fait piéger. On his back, Chanteclair, shaken, realized he had been tricked. Il réfléchit vite. He thought quickly. Il connaissait la faiblesse de Renard, la vanité. He knew Reinhardt's weakness, vanity. Alors, d'une voix tremblante mais rusée, il dit « So, in a trembling but cunning voice, he said, « Renard, oh Renard, quelle prise! Reinhardt, oh Reinhardt, what a catch! Tous les animaux te loueront pour ta ruse. All the animals will praise you for your cleverness. Mais quel dommage que personne ne t'ait vu me capturer. But what a pity that no one saw you capture me. Si tu criais ta victoire bien fort, tout le monde saurait que tu es le plus grand chasseur de la forêt. If you shouted your victory out loud, everyone would know you are the greatest hunter in the forest. Renard, flatté à son tour, ne put s'en empêcher. Reinhardt, flattered in turn, couldn't resist. Il ouvrit la gueule pour crier. He opened his mouth to shout. J'ai attrapé! I've caught! Mais Chanteclair bondit. But Chanteclair jumped. Il s'échappa d'un battement d'ailes et vola jusqu'à la branche d'un arbre. He escaped with a flap of his wings and flew up to the branch of a tree. Furieux, Renard grogna. Furious, Reinhardt growled. Malin ce coq! Clever rooster! Et Chanteclair, du haut de sa branche, répondit. And Chanteclair, from the top of his branch, replied. Ruse contre ruse, mon ami. Trick for trick, my friend. Depuis ce jour, Chanteclair se méfie des flatteurs, et Renard, lui, cherche toujours son repas du matin. Since that day, Chanteclair is wary of flatterers, and Reinhardt is still looking for his morning meal. Moralité, la flatterie est un piège aussi redoutable que les crocs d'un renard. Morality, flattery is a trap as formidable as a fox's fangs.